So in this tutorial we are going to create an AWS account. So let's start it. Go to this link. The link is given in the description. AWS accounts include 12 months of the free tier access but only limited access. So don't overuse them. And delete your AWS account before 12 months to avoid any expenses. Visit this link to fully understand which services are free for 12 months and which services are always free. We are going to do our whole tutorial on the free tier only. Type your mail address and password and account name and then press continue. Choose account type as personal and provide your personal details. After that, you need to enter your debit card details. Just remember that this is just in the case your usage exceeds the AWS free tier limits. So you should remain in the free tier and you are not going to pay for a cent. Then provide a valid phone number because you will get a phone call for verification. Next, we choose a support plan. So we are going to choose the basic plan because it's free. Now you will be able to sign into your account.